Looking for a refreshing ramen dish for those sweltering hot days? This Zaru Ramen is served with a tangy chilled dipping sauce and is a delicious way to cool down in summer. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Zaru Ramen dashi to find me. To get started with our Zaru Ramen, we'll begin with an umami-packed dipping sauce that's going to make this dish delicious. Grab a cold saucepan and add 30 grams of finely chopped Japanese leek or regular leek if that's what you've got, with half a teaspoon of grated garlic and half a tablespoon of grated ginger. Now add half a teaspoon of dashi granules, 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of Chinese style chicken bouillon powder, 2 tablespoons of mirin, half a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of toasted white sesame seeds. Finally, pour in 250 milliliters of water and heat this mixture over medium heat until it starts to boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Keep stirring occasionally and let it bubble away for 2 to 3 minutes. This will cook off some of the alcohol in the mirin and softens the pungency of the aromatics. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. By the way, if you love this Zaru Ramen, I think you also love my spicy tsukemen recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Turn off the heat and let it cool down while we tackle those noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a proper rolling boil. Add your ramen noodles and cook them according to the package instructions. Now for the noodles, you've got options here. Fresh ramen noodles are fantastic. Dried store-bought works beautifully. And if you're feeling ambitious on a weekend, homemade noodles are absolutely divine. Once they're done, drain those noodles in a colander and immediately rinse them under cold running water. Once you've rinsed those noodles, give them a good shake and then place the colander over a bowl to help them drain. Add a few ice cubes to chill them completely. This thorough chilling is absolutely key to the refreshing nature of Zaru Ramen. When the dipping sauce is cool to the touch, add about 5 standard ice cubes or more if you're using those tiny cubes. This concentrated sauce has been designed to cool quickly with ice cubes without tasting watered down. Now grab those perfectly chilled noodles and arrange them on a plate, or if you fancy and have a Zaru bamboo mat, even better. Now's the time to go wild with your toppings. We're talking slices of pork chashu, seasoned bamboo shoots called menma, boiled eggs, and some shredded nori. When it's hot and you don't feel like spending hours in the kitchen on homemade toppings, store-bought is absolutely fine for this dish, but apologies for that not so good looking chashu today. I just bought a cheap one from the supermarket. Serve that cold dipping sauce in individual serving bowls and add a sprinkle of chopped green onions for some added freshness and bite. The beauty of Zaru Ramen is in that contrast, the cold bouncy noodles meeting that complex vinegary umami-rich dipping sauce. Each bite should be refreshing, yet deeply satisfying during the summertime. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now. And if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my ramen playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.